A new public health order in Douglas County makes it easier for kids to get out of wearing a mask. The school district's mandate required a note from a healthcare provider. The county's Board of Health now says parents can just sign their own paper, stating a mask impacts the child's mental health.
We are not issuing mask exemptions except for in very particular cases. And those generally involve children who have significant developmental delays and aren't able to safely wear a mask.
Pediatrician Dr. Rusha Lev approves mask exemptions for very specific reasons. According to the state's health department, there's no evidence that masks affect the mental health of kids.
They are able to stay in school, thereby preserving their mental health, because the biggest mental health crisis that we saw beginning last year, and it still continues, was the isolation that kids face by not being in school, not being with peers.
It's one of the reasons Children's Hospital declared a state of emergency for youth mental health. They link the challenges kids are facing to major changes, like isolation and disruptions in routine, not masks.
The most important thing that we advocated for all last year was to get kids back in school. And now we're doing it, and we want to keep them there. There's lots of data in the past month or two that's come out to show that school districts that are masking are having less infection, less spread, less closures.
Dougco's public health order goes against the recommendations of the state, CDC, and the American Academy of Pediatrics. Doctors believe masks are the best tool to keep kids in the classroom.
Certainly, I have a concern that someone could get sick, and it may not be a kid, it may be an adult in the classroom, it may be a parent or a grandparent of a child, and that would be devastating.
Kelly Rinke, 9 News.